Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking tempo and grid so loops align. Set BPM and time signature first to avoid later warping. Next, drag your chosen samples into the channel rack or directly into the playlist. Use Edison to trim, normalize, or remove silence. Once done, switch to song mode and create a pattern with the exact bar length you want. This ensures looped clips repeat cleanly. Make sure the playlist grid shows bars and beats, so placement is precise and consistent. You now refine timing and texture. Use the slice tool to cut transient sections and the slip tool to nudge audio inside a clip without moving it. If tempo differs, use the sample properties time stretching or switch the clip to stretch mode so it matches project BPM. This preserves pitch unless you alter it. Once loops fit, organize them. Place drums, bass, and melodic loops on separate playlist tracks so you can automate volume, panning, and effects independently for clear arrangement control. You finish by balancing and gluing. Route similar loops to a bus, apply gentle EQ to carve space, and add bus compression or saturation to unify the sound. Then create automation clips for fades, filter sweeps, or reverb sends to keep loops evolving. If something sounds off, troubleshoot. Mute tracks one at a time, inspect sample offsets, and toggle grid snap to correct micro timing. If phasing occurs, try nudging by a few milliseconds or invert polarity. Export stems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.